Making a guy miss you can be a tricky task, but with the right approach, it can be achieved. One of the most important things to remember is that men want what they can't have. By creating a sense of mystery and intrigue around yourself, you can make him want to spend more time with you. An effective way to make a guy miss you is to focus on building a strong emotional connection with him. This can be done by being open and honest with him, and by showing him that you truly care about him. It is important to maintain your independence and have a life outside of your relationship so that he can see the value you bring to his life. Here are the most effective and proven tips to make a guy miss you and want to be with you more than ever. Tip number 1. Be fun and flirty. Be fun and flirty when you're around him. Show him that you can be playful and that you're not afraid to take risks. This will make him miss you even more when you're not around. Don't be afraid to be silly and show him your humorous side. Be sure to show him that you're a great friend. Show him that you're trustworthy and that you're always there for him. This will make him miss you even more when you're not around. Tip number 2. Be confident and always look your best. Always pay attention to your posture, how you talk and smile, how you dress and carry yourself around him. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident and attractive. This will make him miss you even more. Take care of yourself. Show him that you're secure in who you are and that you're comfortable in your own skin. Be sure to keep the conversation interesting when you're together. Show him you have a great sense of humor and that you can be witty and clever. This will make him miss you even more when you're not around. Tip number 3. Show your independence. Be independent when you're around him. Show him that you can take care of yourself and that you don't need him to be happy. This will make him admire and miss you even more. Don't be afraid to take a break from the relationship and let him know that you are an independent woman. Be sure to give him space and let him come to you. Don't be too clingy or needy. Show him you can survive without him and he will appreciate you even more. Men like to feel needed and appreciated, but they also like the thrill of the hunt. Showing him that you can take care of yourself will make him miss you. Tip number 4. Compliment him. Giving compliments to guys can be a powerful tool to make them miss you even more. By expressing genuine admiration and appreciation for their qualities and actions, you are building a strong emotional connection with them. This can foster feelings of attachment and longing, making them more likely to think about you. Be sincere with your compliments, and he will surely feel it in a way that is authentic. Balance your compliments with your own independent interests and activities, as this can also create a sense of mystery and intrigue that can make them miss you even more. Tip number 5. Be positive. Be positive and upbeat when you're around him. Show him that you can be a source of joy and happiness. This will make him miss you even more when you're not around. Don't be afraid to show your emotions and share your thoughts with him. Be sure to show him that you're a great listener. Listen to what he has to say and be sure to give him your full attention. This will make him miss you even more when you're not around. Tip number 6. Make plans for the future. Making plans for the future involves creating a sense of anticipation and excitement for what's to come. This can be done by setting specific goals and plans for the future, such as planning a trip or a special event and sharing them with the guy. By doing this, he will feel more invested in the relationship and will want to be a part of these plans. Additionally, by showing him that you are actively working towards creating a fulfilling and exciting future, he will see you as a strong and independent woman, which will make him miss you even more when you are not together. By being open to new experiences and opportunities, you will keep things fresh and exciting, which will make it harder for him to let go of you. Tip number 7. Show your affection. Showing your affection to make a guy miss you more is a powerful tool for maintaining a healthy and strong relationship. This involves how you express your love and affection for him. It can be both verbal and non-verbal, like telling him how much you appreciate and care for him. Or by giving him thoughtful gifts, and making physical contact like a hug or holding his hands. By consistently showing your affection, you are creating positive memories and feelings for the guy, which will make him want to spend more time with you. By not always being available and readily accessible, you are creating a sense of longing and desire for your presence, making him miss you even more. Showing your affection is a crucial aspect of keeping the spark alive in any relationship and can help to make the guy miss you even more. In conclusion, making a guy miss you can be accomplished by focusing on yourself, being independent, and not always being available. By building a strong sense of self and having a fulfilling life outside of the relationship, you can make him realize how much he values you. Remember to keep things light and fun, and to communicate your feelings and needs clearly. With these tips in mind, you can make him miss you and want to be with you even more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.